शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै ब्रह्मदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। विश्वं पश्यति कार्यकारणतया स्वस्वामिसम्बन्धतः शिष्याचार्यतया तथैव पितृपुत्राध्यात्मना भेदतः स्वप्ने जाग्रतिवाय एष पुरुषो मायापरिभ्रामितः तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः।
ओम अथातो
ब्रह्मसूत्र भाष्य क्लास नंबर 97।
ओम अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा
ॐ अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा
जन्माद्यस्य यतः
जन्माद्यस्य यतः
शास्त्रयोनित्वात्
शास्त्रयोनित्वात्
तत्तु समन्वयात्
तत्तु समन्वयात्।
You can't listen. Not. You can't listen. You can't listen. Now is okay. This should be. It is facing that way. Yes, correct. It should be. What about this? Is okay. Will go outside. Somebody was doing Ramayana Katha on the ship so that the fish etc. should get pulled. And this gentleman, I think, must have done in the aeroplane also. He was planning. I have no idea. He did it. Bhagat log hai, kuch bhi karo bas. Aeroplane, so that everybody should. I think, and they had put loudspeakers facing the sea. So, but in the tip face inside was okay. ठीक है. So the next topic was, we have already seen, Samsaritva is certainly destroyed by Brahma Jnana. Purvapaksha has contended, no, Rajju Sarpa, that is fine, like this is the rope and not a snake, your fear goes like that. By knowing Brahma, if samsara goes, I accept, but we see fellows, they say that they have got Brahma Jnana, but samsara continues. He says, one thing accepted, Shravana Matra Jnana. Knowledge, born of Shravana means only Matra is there. What is that Matra? Shravana Matra Jnana, by knowledge, born by only Shravana, samsara doesn't get destroyed, accepted. Now tell me, what is that Shravana Matra Jnana? Tika. Matra means Manana is not there, and much more. Tika, page 94, line 5. श्रवणज्ञानमात्रात् संसारानिवृत्तौ api. Even though samsara doesn't get destroyed by what is that? Shravana jnana matra. Means he has exposed to Shravana something from Shastra, something he has understood about the Atma. Shravana janya jnana is there. Matra means manana is not there. Much more important, nididhyasana is not there. So manana nididhyasana are not there, and manana to get clear the doubts. Much more important is nididhyasana, to directly have that sakshatkara. Nididhyasana means continuous, consistent atma chintana. But to do that atma chintana, he has got some basis in terms of Shravana. And also sadhana chatushta sampatti is certainly there. So therefore, Shravana jnana matra, only by knowledge born of Shravana, but not supplemented by manana nididhyasana. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Atmavare Shrotavyaha Mantavyaha Nididhyastavyaha, Bhashyakara makes it very clear. Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana have to be taken together simultaneously. They have to be taken to be practiced how? Simultaneously. So that is how it is. That is accepted. But Sakshatkara means what is accepted? By mere Shravana, whatever knowledge is born, what is not, samsara doesn't get destroyed. But when Sakshatkara, which was described as what? Avagati, Brahmavagati, Brahma Sakshatkara, Aparoksha Jnana, Aparokshanu Bhuti, in contrast to Paroksha Jnana. There is no Parokshanu Bhuti. Of course, anything, whether Paroksha or Aparoksha, Anubhava is there only. But we want, of course, Paroksha Anubhuti also, yes. There, yonder, there is a fire. So you smoke, you know that there is fire, that's all. But when you say this is fire, that is different protection. So here, so that being the case, so yes, accepted in their case, but Sakshatkara jivataha eva mukti drupannava. By Brahma Sakshatkara, mukti cannot be denied. It is certainly there. And how, what mukti? Jivan mukti. And when you say Jivan mukti, what is that? Samsara dukkha is not. Jivan mukti is meant for that. In spite of gaining the knowledge, drishta, sukha, dukkha, chitta, kleshas are tormenting the person. That is why, that means not only tattva jnana, manonasha, vasana, akshaya. That is what Jivan mukti principle. So therefore, we are, suppose one has got Brahma jnana, Sakshatkara is there, but Nishtha is not there, that fellow cannot be Jivan mukta. But certainly he can gain the Videya mukti. After the death, he is bound to gain the Videya mukti. Even Ishvara also cannot stop that Videya mukti. But while Prarabdha is going on, the person has to face the Chitta Kleshas, etc. So that is why Yajnavalkya finally took to sannyasa. What for? To take to, that is Vasanakshaya and Mano Nasha, by more and more intense contemplation, Nididhyasana. So that being the case, so this should be understood properly, and therefore which 2-3 examples were given. Now to this effect, what is that? Tika, last but one line, earlier page 94. Tattvavidaha jivan muktau manam aha. In the case of Tattvavit, who is Tattvavit? Brahma Sakshatkaravan, not simply Paroksha Jnana. Brahma Sakshatkaravan, Brahmavagati, one who has got Jivan Muktau, that person becomes Jivan Mukta. Manam aha, what is Manam? Pramana. Pramana. What is that? Take page 95, Bhashya, second line, Taduktam Shrutya.
Taduktam Shrutya. Ashariram Bhavasantam Na Priya Priye Sprushataha Iti.
Taduktam Shrutya, as a pramana that Brahma Sakshatkara gives Jivan Mukti, Shruti has said. So what the Shruti has said? Chandogya, and this passage, this Shruti quotation, we have already come across on, you can make a note, page 72, first line. Page 72, first line. So we have seen this Shruti passage in detail. Ashariram vavasantam. To the person, of course, there the context was different, but this Shruti. In the case of the person, I am giving reference because we have notes there also. you can refer to it because it has come second time. I may not go in that much detail, but that is already safe. They are there, so that if you care to dig up, then you will get it there. So Ashariram, page 72. There it was to show that moksha is not the product of karma. It is not the result of karma. It is not karma. That was that. Now here, for the sake of Jivan Mukti. So to the person who is ashariraha, who is ashariraha? So therefore he says that is ashariratam. Actually, dehabhimana rahitaha. One who has no identification with the body. Why? Atma in reality is what? Deha rahita. Atma, you see, even in the state of ajnana and bondage, Atma is always free from Deha. But due to ignorance and a consequent identification, he identified with the embodiment and suffered the sorrow. But when he had discovered no identity with the body, that state of freedom from Deha Tadatmya is Ashariratva, wherein you directly experience, directly know your Atma Swarupa, which is free from Deha. So that is what is that. So therefore, what is that Asharirata? The state of disembodied Atma. Disembodied means bodiless. The state of bodiless Atma. So that is what is Ashariram Vavasantam, where Dehatadhatmya is not there at all. So that is not there at all. Vavasantam, indeed, in the case of such a person, to such a person, santam, to such a person, priya priye na sprishataha. Both of these, what are those? Priya means joys, apriya sorrows, born of Vishayas. Joys and sorrows born of Vishayas. He says, na sprishataha. They don't touch him, means na sambadhite. They are not at all connected to him. They are not at all connected to him. They are connected to iti. So what does it mean? Priya Priya, what does it mean? Samsara. Sukha Dukkha means samsara. So therefore, he has no Sukha Dukkha samsaras. With this, the topic is over. So that is what is the Avasara? Brahma Jnana Sakshatkara certainly destroyed the samsaritva. If it is not, means he is simply Paroksha Jnani and not Brahma Sakshatkara, is not there. Now, the quotation was Ashariram Vavasantam. Bhashyagara got an occasion now. What is that? Let these fellows know properly what is Asharira. Sir, what you are talking of Asharira? Freedom from the body, when is it possible? मरने के बाद. जब तक जिंदा है तो शरीर तो रहने वाला ही है. And you say Asharira, bodiless, how it is possible? So that is the doubt, and he said, right now here, so long when the Dehabhimana is not there, that is the Ashariratva. That is now, from here, To consider that Atma has an embodiment is an erroneous notion. Topic is like this. To consider that Atma has an embodiment is an erroneous notion. So this continues from here, second line Sharire to next page 96, line 3. Siddham. No, not Siddham. Then is line 3. Vyakhyatam. Page 96, line 3. Vyakhyatam. So this much portion. That is, it is wrong to consider that Atma he has got an embodiment.
शरीरे पतिते अशरीरत्वं स्यात् न जीवतः इति चेत् न सशरीरत्वस्य मिथ्याज्ञाननिमित्तत्वात् न हि आत्मनः शरीरात्माभिमानलक्षणं मिथ्याज्ञानं भुक्त्वा अन्यतः सशरीरत्वं शक्यं कल्पयितुम्.
This is the wrong notion. What is that? Purapaksha. Sharire patite. So when Sharira, the body, patita means not trips and falls. When the body is nowhere, when the death comes, after death. Sharire patite. Ashariratvam syat. State of ashariratva, freedom from body, should be when? After the death. Na jivataha, not while living. Iti che. If that is the argument, sir, na. It is not correct. Take the tika, earlier page, last line. Atmanaha deha sambandhasya bhranti prayuktatva. Deha sambandha, the connection of Atma with the body is what? Bhranti prayuktatva. Prayukta means produced by, arising from. From what? Bhranti. Bhranti prayuktatva. It is produced by or arising from. That is Bhranti. What Bhranti? Erroneous notion of I-ness in the embodiment. So that was Tattvadhiya. What is Tattvadhi? By the direct knowledge of Atma Swarupa. Tannasha Rupam. Tat stands for Bhranti. Bhranti Nasha Rupam Ashariratvam. State of being free from Sharira. Now come on, what is Ashariratva? Not that body should get destroyed. Dehatadhatmya is not there. When Dehatadhatmya is not there, what are you recognizing? Directly the Swarupa, Atma Swarupa. And in the Atma Swarupa, देह भी नहीं है, देह का shadow भी नहीं है उधर. So there is nothing. Provided what is that? Sakshatkara is that no cognition of any adhyastha. And what is adhyastha? From deha ahankara onward, ajnana. Why deha ahankara? Ajnana. First culprit is ajnana. Ajnana onwards, entire thing is, that is what is the adhyastha. No trace of adhyastha. That is where it comes. Bhashikara, after Adhyasa Bhashya, why Brahma Mimamsa, why Vedanta? To get rid of, to terminate this Adhyasa. How Adhyasa is known? Anubhava Siddha. That Anubhava Siddha Adhyasa, how can we get rid of? By giving sermon. If you have got headache, it is where in the book or the experience. Huh? And then, so you turn the some pages of medical book, etc. You have to take some anacin. I don't know much about it. Okay. Anacin ho gaya. Headache gone. It has to go at its own level. Its own level. So that is why experience-wise you should not have this. Otherwise you have come to Vedanta class. सब मिथ्या है, हेडेक भी मिथ्या है, हेडेक मिथ्या है. So therefore what? No headache. वो नहीं है. हंगर मिथ्या करके दिखाओ. हेडेक बाद में. हंगर मिथ्या है. Don't tell me, Swamiji, that food also is mithya. That don't be over smart. Okay. So that is there as such. So then, of course, truth is there, but for whom it is? One who has direct cognition of Satya, Brahma. Yes, for him always there. Such a person, if he doesn't get food, it's a prarabdha is there. He will just mind his own business as such. So that is the thing. So that means again, na jivata iti che na. So that is what? Tanna asharupam ashariratvam. That ashariratva, which is of the nature of destruction of tat. Tat means what? Deha bhranti. So that is what is ashariratvam. Jivataha yuktam. While living you can get. While living. See, look, I am the body. Who is the culprit to project this notion? Ahankara. But who projected Ahankara? Antakarana, is it not? Now that same Antakarana can get rid of that and directly cognize the Swarupa. No trace of Deha, Tadatmya. So that is the case. So it's possible. Na ityadina. So na ityadina. So na ityadina. Say, therefore I say, na. Why? The reason is given. Sashariratva mithya jnana nimittatva. See now, ashariratva, no, sashariratva. I hope you have noticed the distinction. Sashariratva, what is that? What is ashariratva? Deha tadatmya rahita. Sashariratva deha tadatmya, bodily identification. So therefore, sashariratva, that bodily identification is caused by what? What is the cause for that? Mithya jnana nimittatva. Mithya ajnana, ignorance of oneself which is false in nature. So the bodily identification is caused by ignorance of one's own swarupa. Therefore, in Brahma Sakshatkara, when ignorance is destroyed, what happens? The result, bodily identification, what is called as sashariratva, is bound to get destroyed. Nimittatva. He says, no one can point out any other cause than ajnana for deha tadatmya. None can imagine any other cause for deha tadatmya than the ajnana. He says, take anvaya. He means, how do you say, why do you say that bodily identification is on account of ajnana? The reason is given, anvaya. He atmanaha shariratmabhimana lakshanam shariratvam mithya jnanam muktva anyataha kalpayitum na shakyam. Anyataha kalpayitum na shakyam. By the by, Bhashyakara has given the definition of sashariratva also. Says, he, because, why do you say that sashariratva is caused by mithya ajnana? Reason is, atmanaha shariratma bhimana lakshanam sashariratva. See, the sashariratva of Atma characterized by what? Shariratma bhimana lakshanam. Defined by, characterized by Shariratma bhimana lakshana. This gives the definition of sashariratva. What is sashariratva? Shariratma bhimana. Abhimana, identification with the embodiment is sashariratva. In knowledge, identification goes or not? Yeah, ashariratva, that's all. Presence or absence of the body has nothing to do with the ashariratva or sashariratva. It is the identification that counts. Lakshanam, that is what is sashariratvam, which is sashariratvam Mithya, now its cause, as far as this is concerned. Mithya ajnanam muktva अन्यतः कल्पयितुम यश न शक्यम. अन्यतः कल्पयितुम न शक्यम. This sashariratva cannot be imagined by any other cause than what? Mithya ajnanam muktva. Anyataha, by any other cause than mithya ajnana. Nobody can imagine that. Now, this ashariratva is already there, in the sense Atma has no body, no deha, tadatmya, but it appeared on account of what? Ajnana. So therefore, you who is ajnani has to get rid of the sashariratva. Atma is nitya muktaha, and ashariratva, deha tadatmya rahitatva, is not born of any karma. You don't do some karma to gain the ashariratva, it is always that. Tika, first line. Asangatma rupam tu ashariratvam. Ashariratvam is what? Asangatma rupam. Atma swarupa, that is asanga, unconnected to everything. You can add, make adhyara there. Mithya jnanena avritam. The state of liberation of ourselves. Ashariratva also is state of liberation, because deha tadatmya not there means liberation. So therefore, that asangatma rupam ashariratvam mithya-jnane avritam. Therefore, tatvadhiya jivataha vyajyate. Jivataha, that state of freedom from embodiment, is always there, but it was covered by what? Ajnana. Now by tatvadhi, what is tatvadhi? Atma sakshatkara. So by that Brahma sakshatkara, by tatvadhiya jivataha vyajyate, gets manifest even while living. So that body, in fact, body, sir, the very same body which bound you serves as the means to get freed from that. That is what he said. Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoh. So therefore he says, tatvadhiya vyajati iti, he says, this ashariratva. Now we say these synonyms, you know. Ashariratva, moksha, deha tadatmya, rahitatva, these are all mean one and same. He says, therefore, this is nityam. So nityam, let us see now.
Nityam ashariratvam akarma nimittatvad iti avojama.
Anvaya ashariratvam akarma nimittatvad nityam iti avojama. Ashariratvam akarma nimittatvad nityam iti avojama. What is ashariratvam? Mokshakyam ashariratvam. Deharahitya is moksha. So the moksha is what? Akarma nimittatva. Being not called, akarma nimittatva means na karma nimittatva. Not called, not affected by the karma. So means not being the product of karma. It is not karma phala or it is not upasana phala. So therefore, nimittatva says nityam iti avochama. We have already told you it is nityam. We forget, Bhashyakara doesn't forget. See, we already told where, same place, 72. 72 page where Ashariram was there, same place, lines 4, 6, 7. Line 4, Ashariratvam eva dharma karya nimittam iti chet na. It is not dharma karya. Then asangaha hi ayam purushaha. So therefore he says, mokshakhyam anushtheya karma phala vilakshanam mokshakhyam ashariratam nityam. There only 72. Already told it is not the result of karma phala, was already told. You can just make a note. You can do homework here, page 72, lines 4, 6, 7, already told to this effect. That is fine, sir. But I agree, Atma this thing. But Atma is Karta. And when he is Karta, he has to face the karma phala. But how? Atma is Asangaha, Deha Rahita. Yeah, that is true. But this Atma makes use of your body. And with that body, he does the karma. And when he does the karma, who is the Karta? See, you take a knife and cut the bread into slices. Who cuts knife for you? You, is it not? So therefore, this Atma making use of the body does the karma. And when he does the karma, he becomes Karta. Bhokta, he has to be. Therefore what? Samsari. And therefore what you should do? You should do something, karma, to get rid of that samsara, which is caused by karma done by who? He says, now the topic is, sir, there cannot be any connection whatsoever between Atma and the Deha. If some connection is there, you can say all these things. There is no connection whatsoever is possible. Tika, Dehatmanoho sambandha satyaha iti shankate tatkrita iti. So Purva Pakshi, what is that? He shankate. He doubts. What is it? He says, that is, Dehatmanoho sambandha satya. Connection between the Deha and Atma is Satya. What does he mean by Satya? Therefore, it is real. Therefore, Atma does karma. And Atma does karma means he is really a samsari. You can't, by knowledge, cannot give up something, destroy something real. So you have to do something for karma. So that is what says Bhashya.
Tatkruta dharma dharma nimittam sashariratvam iti chet na sharira sambandhasya tatkruta dharma dharma nimittam sashariratvam iti chet na sharira sambandhasya asiddhatvat dharma dharmayoho atmakrutatvat siddhehe.
Atmakrutatva siddhehe. There is no thought. Atmakrutatva siddhehe. You know what was the mistake? Atmakrutatvat. There was no name. Atmakrutatva siddhehe. Atmakrutattvasya asiddhehe. Tatkruta dharma dharma nimittam sashariratvam. What is actually sashariratva? Deha tadatmya. Now Purva Paksha, they say, no, not Deha tadatmya. Karmas done by Atma, that is what is actually, you know what all he has got in mind. Karmas are done by Atma, and when karmas are done, karma phalas come. For that karma phalas, Atma has to take the body. He takes the body and does the karma. Karma phala, again take the body. So therefore what? There is a connection between Atma and the Deha. So that's what. And when it is real, for real, you have to do something equally, same level you have to do something. No, some karma you have to do. So that is what there. So that is तन्नाशार्थम कार्यापेक्षेत कार्यापेक्षा इति भावः. See, टीका तन्नाशार्थम means what? See, bhava. Okay, first take bhashya complete. तत्कृत धर्माधर्म निमित्तम. What is that tat? आत्मकृत धर्माधर्म निमित्तम सशरीरत्वम. Sashariratva is Purapaksha is karmas done by on account of nimittam, on account of papa punya committed by who? This Atma. Iti chet. If you say sir, no, it is not so. Take tika. Tannasharte, second line. Tannasharte means what? Atma krita dharma dharma nimittasya Shasharirattvasya nasharthi. That stands for what? Sashariratva, to destroy. What is Sashariratva according to Purvapaksha? Atmakruta papa punya. Dharma is papa punya. And now to destroy that tasya means Sasharirattvasya. To destroy that Sashariratva, which is produced by what? Dharma, adharma, done by who? Atma. Say what should be done? Karyapeksha iti. What is there? Karyasya apeksha. Some karma is required. Apeksha is requirement. Iti bhavaha. He says na. Not possible. So now come on. You establish the relation between Atma and Deha on account of karma. First tell me, to do karma what is necessary? Deha. Deha produced by what? Karma phala. Who has to do it? Atma. Atma has no deha. How can? Atma has no deha. Because deha is produced by what? Karma phala. And to have the karma phala, you have to have the deha. Come on, tell me. Say, first, which comes first? Come on, tell me. Which comes first? If Atma has to have Deha, he should have Karma Phala. But Atma to have Karma Phala, he should already have a Deha to do the Karma so that Karma Phala can give. Abhi tak nahi ho gaya. Child is not yet born. Neither born nor can be conceived also. It can't be conceived also. It is not possible. And you are talking of that Deha to do the karma so that Atma will get, he says, Tika. Atmanaha sharira sambandhe jate dharma dharmotpatti. Agreed? When Atma gets connected to, that is sharira. Like you cutting the bread by wielding the knife. So likewise, Atma wielding the body by some connection. What happens? Sharira sambandhe jate. When this connection the body is there, dharma dharmotpatti. What is born? Papa and punya. Dharma means papa punya. Tasyam satyam. Tasyam means dharma dharmotpatyam satyam. I hope you dharma dharmotpatyam satyam. What is patyam satyam? When the utpatti of papa punya takes place, satyam, what happens? That is satyam. Sambandha janma. Sambandha janma means sharira sambandhasya janma utpatti. It is a vicious circle. I hope you have got it. First, Atma has to have Sharira Sambandha, so Papa Punya are born, and Papa Punya are born, Sharira Sambandha will take place. So therefore, so that is a Sambandha Janma iti. What is Sambandha Janma? Sharira Sambandhasya Janma. Janma means Utpatti. Means, if, in short like this, if Sharira Sambandha is there, Papa Punya Utpatti. If Papa Punya Utpatti is there, Sharira Sambandha. You know what is called? Anyonya Ashraya. Mutual dependence. Both can't come into existence simultaneously, means both are not possible. It is a dosha. So therefore, iti anyonya ashraya. There is a mutual dependence. So Bhashyakara says itaretara ashraya afterwards. So therefore, ekasya asiddhya. Asiddhi means non-accomplishment of, because see, for accomplishment of one, the other must be there which has not yet come into existence. So therefore, ekasya asiddhya dvitiyasya api asiddhi syat. Second one also what happens? Cannot come into existence. Iti pariharati. Bhashyakara, Siddhanti refutes, he answers, na ityadina. Iti chet na. Why? The reason is given. Say, Sharira Sambandhasya Asiddhatva. Sharira Sambandha, who Sharira Sambandha? Atmanaha Sharira Sambandha. The connection of Atma with the body itself is not proved, and therefore Dharma Dharmayoho Atma Kritatva Asiddhehe. When connection of Atma and Deha are not possible, how can you say Atma did the Papa Punya? No, cannot be proved at all. What Purva Paksha has to do? He has to accept Anyonya Ashraya is there, but he wants to wriggle out, but he will be caught. He says, sir, I accept. There is Anyonya Ashraya between Sharira Sambandha and Papa Punya, that karma phala. That is with respect to the present embodiment. In this given embodiment, in this janma, the Sharira Sambandha of this janma cannot be produced by the karma phalas of this janma, because this Anyonya Ashraya comes. But what I mean to say is, karma phala done in the past janma becomes the cause for this janma, and then this karma phala becomes the cause of Atma Sharira Sambandha in the future. Therefore, I will give an example. What is that? Bijankura Nyaya. What is Bijankura Nyaya? Seed, sprout, tree, fruit, again seed, sprout, bija, ankura, bija, ankura, bija, ankura. You have not thought it properly. My dear sir, whether I have not thought properly or you have not properly thought properly, I will make it very clear very soon now. So, your bija, ankura, nyaya cannot hold good. It cannot hold good. You will see them. Bhashya.
Sharira Sambandhasya Dharma Dharmayoho Tat Krutatvasya Cha Itaretarashrayatva Prasangat Anda Paramparaishanaditva Kalpana.
Anda parampara esha anaditva kalpana. Sharira Sambandhasya. See, this is what you already seen. Atma Sharira Sambandha and Atma Krita Dharma Dharma will have Anyonya Ashraya, which who Purva Paksha does accept. Tika will make it clear. Except with respect to the Sharira Sambandha and Atma Krita Karma Phala with respect to this body. But he may come out with, though he has not told, Bhashyakara anticipates, this fellow may come out with the Bijankuranaya, for that he straight away gives the answer. So now Bhashya. Sharira Sambandasya, you can add Atmanaha. Atmanaha Sharira Sambandasya. That is the connection of Atma with the body. Number one, this is one thing. You can put in inverted comma. Again, dharma dharmayoho tatkritattvasya. This much other inverted quotation. Dharma dharmayoho of papa punya. Tatkritatvam. Tatkritatvam means what? Atma kritatvam. These two things. Cha. Itaretarashrayatva prasanga. The Sharira Sambandha depends on Atmakrita Dharma Dharma. Atmakrita Dharma Dharma depends on Sharira. Fine. So that is the. This is accepted by who? Purvapaksha. And if he may come out with the Bijankuranaya, which Tikakara will make it clear, for which he answer gives, means this is ruled out. Mutual dependence, Anyonashraya between Sharira Sambandha and Atmakrita Dharma Dharma is ruled out, which Purvapaksha accepts. Then he may come out with the Bijankuranaya. He says, Andha Parampara Esha Anaditva Kalpana. Esha Anaditva Kalpana. This Bijankuranaya, which is beginningless, because of which Sharira Sambandha and Papa Punya take place. You say, Andha Parampara, we'll see in detail. Andha Parampara means Apramaniki, not based on valid means of knowledge. There is no pramana for that, the thing which will be proved by Tikakara. So now take Tika line 4. Nanu, Purvapaksha says, Etad deha janya dharma dharma karmanaha. The karma phalas born of, what is that? In terms of papa punya produced by this body. Again, etad deha sambandha hetutve. Hetutve. If karma phalas produced by this body becomes the cause of the Atma Deha Sharira of this body, if that is the Hetutve Sati, Syad Anyonyashraya. What will take place? Anyonya Ashraya means Purvapaksha accepts. What he accepts? Karma phalas done by this Deha becoming the cause of the Deha Sharira, Atma Sharira Sambandha of this Janma. What is that? Anyonya Ashraya accepted. How? Like this. See, unless the Sharira Sambandha is there, Karma phalas cannot be done. Unless Karma phalas done, Sharira Sambandha not possible, accepted. But sir, what I mean is this way. Purvadeha karmanaha, but Purvadeha karmanaha etaddeha sambandhotpatti. By the karma phalas done in the past janma, what happened? You got stuck up with this body, connected to this body. Again, say utpatti. Then what about the Purvadeha? Earlier there, it's Purva. It's Purva. For us, no problem. Only for Christian, that is the problem there. We have got beginningless janmas as such. So only because they say that it is not correct. Jesus never told that rebirth is not there. On the contrary, there are statements of Jesus which supports indirectly the rebirth as such. Anyway, it was Henry VIII who did the mischief. Henry VIII, he was at loggerhead with Pope. because he wanted the Pope to pass a resolution that there is no rebirth. He was a sane person, and he tortured him up to the death. What he did was he convened a meeting of all bishops and all that, etc. And he said, if rebirth is there, people will take the life, this thing what lightly, so therefore no rebirth. This is only one birth, etc. And by votes, it was passed. There is no. ऐसा करेगा तो हमारा पार्लियामेंट में सब कुछ राम भी नहीं रहेगा उधर राम भी नहीं रहेगा. So that is, this is not a matter of votes at right. 1,000 idiots can't make one right thing, yes, sir. So that in the case, this is what has happened. So that, and it continues, sir. There are enough evidences in this thing there. There is something like this. Elijah is John the Baptist, or other way something is there. Elijah was somebody else in the past, or John the Baptist. I think Elijah only. He is now who? John the Baptist. What happened? The one who was in the earlier birth is now John the Baptist. At one place it happens, a born blind person was there. Jesus was going with this thing. He said, when the disciple asked, Master, is he blind because of his sins or sins of parents or something? Jesus did not refute his sins. Means what? He said something else. His sins means when did he do? Past. That is not there. It is not. That is the only religion that is because of that mischief is there. All other religions, even Islam, accept this. Anyway, acceptance or rejection of anyone is not saying. Do you know what is the pramana for this? Veda Shruti. For all religions, do you know what is the basis? They may not accept it. Veda is the basis. That is the original. That is even Vivekananda said. Christianity with all its boasting is tiny thought in Hinduism. What if they have got much thing in it? They make it become a politics and all marketing strategies only in terms of conversion for the sake of money. That is a different topic. So therefore, here, so that majority is not going to count. Majority is not going to count. So therefore, says that is that. So napiha, that is why I say. So therefore, Purvadehascha tatpurvadeha kritakarmana iti. Earlier, Deha is born from that one, and that one from earlier. So my dear sir, you land in anavastha dosha. No. It is not anavastha. You know what is anavastha dosha? Regress ad infinitum means you can't find out the final. Chalega aisa hai. No, anadi it is. And we have example. What example? Bijankura Nyaya. He says it is Bijankura vat, like the Bija and Ankura. Bijankura. Anaditva, this being Anadi. What being Anadi? That Sharira Sambandha and Atmakruta Dharma being Anadi. Nayam dosha. You are unnecessarily telling us Anyonyashra, etc. As far present, it's true, but what I am telling is what past. Bijankura Nyaya. Says answer. Andha parampara esha anaditva kalpana. Answer is given andha iti. What is andha? Tika. Tika, 6th line. Apramaniki ityartha. Apramaniki means what? Not dishonest or anything else. Na pramana janya. Not born of pramana. Iti arthaha. Now, how do you say so? I have given you Bijankura Nyaya. My dear sir, Bijankura Nyaya can be established. But this cannot be established. How? See, seed, sprout, seed, sprout, seed. Can you verify or not? Pratyaksha, directly present. Come on, tell me, where did you go to verify? Atma Sharira Sambandha and karma was they giving this thing? Non-verifiable. He says, Nahi bijad ankura tato bijantaram yatha pratyakshena drishyate. Take this way, nahi you keep aside. Bijad ankura tataha bijantaram cha. From the seed, the sprout, and tataha means ankurat, bijantaram means other bija, cha, yatha pratyakshena drishyate. Just as it is directly perceived, tadvat. In the same manner, atmanaha deha sambandha purva karma kritaha. The sharira sambandha of atma is made up by what? Earlier past karma phalas. Nahi pratyakshaha. You can't verify. How can you verify? It's not possible to verify. Bijankura nyaya accept because it can be verified by direct perception. This cannot be, therefore what? Even pratyaksha pramana is not there. So that is what they. So that is not there. Apramaniki. No. Shruti pramana is there. Come on, I challenge you. Purva Paksha may say, directly this cannot be perceived. But if Shruti says, will you accept or not? Yes. If Shruti says, I will accept, but come on, find out. On the contrary, Shruti tells the contrary thing. There is no sambandha. He says, Tika. Napi asti kaschid agamaha. If Shruti says, we have to accept because Shruti is pramana. Kaschid agamaha api nasti. There is no pramana in the Shruti to show that there is sambandha between Sharira and Atma on account of what? Karma, phala. On the contrary, pratyuta says, on the contrary, do you know what the Shruti says? Asangaha hi ayam purushaha. Ayam purusha is not there, but that is from the Shruti. This Atma is asanga, unconnected to everything. Where is the sambandha? Ityadi Shruti sarvakartrutvam varayati iti bhavaha. It dismisses the kartrutva on the part of doership, on the part of Atma. Now, see, pratyaksha pramana is not there, agama pramana is not there. If Bhashyakara gives yukti, reasoning to prove that, see, there cannot be any Atma and Sharira sambandha on account of karmas done by Atma. Yukti says, Tatra yuktim aha tika, Tatra yuktim aha kriya iti. To this effect, that there is no sambandha between Sharira and Atma on account of karma phalas acquired by who? Atma. Bhashya, kriya.
Kriya samavaya bhavat cha atmanaha kartrutmanupapattehe.
Kriya samavaya bhava cha atmanaha. Atma has never any connection with karma. You know what is that? Samavaya, Samavaya, this is Vaisheshika's word. Samavaya means Nitya Sambandha. Any Tarka or Vaisheshika's book, Tarka book you read, there will not be a single sentence except Samavaya, Samaveta. Samavaya is Nitya Sambandha. Samaveta means that which has got Nitya Sambandha. Says, Kriya Atmanaha Kriya Samavaya Bhava. Atma can, because Atma has never any connection with Kriya Karma. Atmanaha Kartritva Anupapatti. The doership on the part of Atma is what Anupapatti means, because it is not possible. The doership on the part of Atma is not possible because Atma is never connected to the Kriya Karma. Now Pura Paksha. Take tika, last but one line. Kutasthasya kritya yogat. For Kutastha Atma, what is Kutastha Atma? Non-changing. Karma means some changes, they are not. Unchanging Atma cannot do any karma. Kriti, Kritya yogat means Kritehe ayogat. Being not able to, it is not possible to Kutastha Atma to do the karma. Na kartrutvam ityarthaha. There is no kartrutvam. There is no kartrutvam. Fine, Atma cannot do. But many times you get many things done by proxy. You pay the servants and you do something. Who did it? Result goes to whom? The Yajamana. Suppose in Yajna Agas also, the Ritviks do it, you pay the Dakshina and you are the Yajamana is the doer. A king has got all paraphernalia of the staff, ministers, etc. He remunerates them. So suppose a war was fought. The minister fought the war and won the war. Who won it? King. So by proxy. Likewise, these Deha, Mana, Buddhi, Indriyas are in great proximity with who? Atma. Through them, what does Atma do? Does the karma. Who did it? Atma did. My dear sir, there पैसा बीसा देता है, फुकट नहीं होता है. इधर पैसा बीसा कुछ दे नहीं सकता है. आत्मा दे भी नहीं सकता है, बिकॉज आत्मा किधर से पैसा लाएगा? अद्वितीय अद्वितीय अद्वितीय. पैसा भी नहीं है, पैसा लेने वाला भी नहीं है उधर. तो दूसरा कोई देह मन बुद्धि टू टेक द पैसा ऑल्सो आर नॉट देयर. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? से स्वतः निष्क्रियस्यापि स्वतः निष्क्रियस्यापि कारक सन्निधिना. विल सी टेक इट टुमारो. मीन्स दो आत्मा निष्क्रिय, फ्री फ्रॉम एक्शन, with the proximity of agents of action like Deha, Mana, Buddhi, Indriya, it can do. That also is not possible. So because such connection also, the higher end purchase will not work with the Atma and the Deha, Mana, Buddhi.
Shanno mitra shamvarunah Shanno bhavatvayama Shanno indro bruhaspatihi Shanno vishnurukramah Namo brahmane Namaste vayu Tvameva pratyaksham brahmasi Tvameva pratyaksham brahma vadishyami Krutam vadishyami Satyam vadishyami Tanmavadu Tadvattaram avadu Avadu mam Avadu Vattaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Brahmasya naro nilom paramahar Naho himaushu kumar Idyabhati chara charatmakamidam Yasyaiva murtyashtakam Nanya kinchana vidyate vibhushatam Yasmat parasmat vibho Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye Nama Idam Shri Dakshina Murtaye Sarvatmatvamiti Sputi Krutamidam Yasmadamushmin Stave Enasya Shravanarthadarthamananat Jnanachya Sankirtanat Sarvarmatva Mahavibhuti Sahitam Shadishvara ऐश्वर्यमव्याहतम् अशुभानि निराचष्टे तनोति शुभसन्ततिम् स्मृतिमात्रेण यत्पुंसां ब्रह्म तन्मङ्गलं परम् अतिकल्याणरूपत्वात् नित्यकल्याणसंश्रयात् स्मर्तॄणां वरदत्वाच्च ब्रह्म तन्मङ्गलं विदुः ओङ्कारश्चार्थशब्दश्च द्वावेतौ ब्रह्मणः पुरा कण्ठं भित्त्वा विनीयातौ तस्मान् माङ्गलिका उभौ ॐ अथ लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः